Bitcoin is attempting another little run up, but once again, I expect it to reject. Moves like this are very normal, where you continuously touch and ride structure resistance or support. We see it happen down here and down here. Very normal. And as this continues upward, I'm looking for a move back into this faint red territory and then a red dot to call a rejection to the downside. I sound like a broken record here, but we are still actively in a bear flag, and historically, this causes massive moves down. Speaking of historically, we're actually in our second bear flag of the series, and in the 2022 bear market, we saw one bear flag, two bear flags, and then the bottom zone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can know almost guaranteed where the bottom zone is going to be and how you can make what is likely to be the best possible entry in that zone. It's much easier than you think. Before we get started though, my name's Jake with Trade Confident. We've just posted two brand new hypothetical trade setups. We've already won two of these simulated trades. And if you want to check those out and see how these indicators are doing with real live proof, check out those hypothetical trade setups in the trading portal. If you want to follow along with what we're doing in our portfolio, be sure to check out this future forecast video. We post them every Wednesday. We're talking about why we sold all of our gold and some of our silver with a market crash update. More on that later, but if you want to sign up, links are in the description down below. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. I'm just looking for a red dot. This to me would signal a rejection to the downside. I'm really not concerned with that, but we will set an alert really quick to make sure we don't miss it. Head to the alerts tab, click create alert, Pro Trade Manager, and we're looking for a long take profit short entry. Once per bar close, click create, and this is going to let you know when we get a red dot signaling a rejection. As the price drops and we approach structure support, if we get a green dot, we're likely to bounce. But if we don't, and especially if we're still sitting in mild caution or higher, this is likely to be the continuation to the downside and the breakdown from this bear flag pattern that we've been watching for quite some time. In the event that this happens, the next bottom is likely to be the bottom of the bear market. And we'll know this is happening, or at least have a very good chance that it's the bottom, once we see fear or max fear. When you, as a trader, see fear or max fear, it means other traders in the market, the other retailers, are feeling fear and max fear. This is where they're panic selling. They're trying to just recoup whatever cash they can from their losses. The more they panic sell, the better it is for you. It means that the price is going to drop as they sell. And when you get that, you get lower entry potential prices. The lower you buy, the more discounted you just got your crypto. The lower you buy, also, the more profit there is to be had once the price finally sends off to the upside. Fear and max fear represents the bottom zone. And in these areas, you're going to notice that green dots signal very close to or even the exact market bottom. Each of these small drops, each of these little local bottoms within a zone are called by the Pro Trade Manager. And this right here, the very bottom of the bear market with a green dot, we saw fear, we saw that green dot, and then a 700% run to the upside. Back here, 2018, fear and max fear with these green dots, called the bottom right here, and fear with this specific green dot for an over 2,000% run to the upside in the next bull market. So if you don't want to miss the next bottom, an ideal entry opportunity to create the maximum amount of profit, you are going to want to look for fear or max fear with a green dot at the same time. You're going to want to set alerts because you may actually miss it if you're not watching your charts. Setting alerts makes sure you can see this happen at any point, even if you're away from your trading screens. Market cycle highs and lows. Fear, once per bar close, click create. Market cycle highs and lows again, max fear, once per bar close, and click create. Last alert, Pro Trade Manager, this time it'll be long entry, short take profit, once per bar close, and click create. Long take profit, short entry, looks for those red dots, and a rejection, and this is where we know the price is very likely to drop. Fear and max fear will let you know when we drop into either fear or max fear, and if either of these post at the same time as a long entry short take profit, the opposite of this one, meaning we get a green dot, this is likely to be at or at least very close to the bottom of the bear market. That is likely to be the most profitable position, or again, at least very close to it, that you're going to find in this Bitcoin market cycle. If you want to access these indicators, our members get them at a massive discount on top of money-making benefits like future forecast videos, hypothetical trade setups, and more. Links are in the description down below for our membership. Go ahead and click that second link. It'll bring you to our sign up page where we're giving you 25% off your first month. That's less than $50 to get started. Head to the indicators tab. Pro Trade Manager is what you're looking for, and you can reveal your membership coupon code here. Click it and write it down. It's good for the market cycle highs and lows too. Check out on Gumroad. I want this. Market cycle highs and lows down here. Click that and add it to cart. Throw in your membership code for $300 off total. Fill in your information. Click pay, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for the hypothetical trade setups and the future forecast episode. Don't miss out.